How often do you open the fridge with no idea what to eat? And in the end, you eat the same as always. What if all you had to do was talk? An assistant that knows you, your weight, your age, your goals, vegan, gluten-free, whatever you need. You tell it what you fancy and it listens.
Last week I had chicken. What else have you got?
How about salmon with quinoa and veg? 520 calories, high in protein, perfect for your goal. Shall I add it to Monday?
It plans your whole week around your goal. And every month you see your progress. Eating well, finally, without thinking. Bring it to your clients.